Hello everyone, this is the second part for free Blogger website customization. So if you missed the first class, please check my description box, here is link. Okay, today at first we know how to set your drop down option in your main menu. So click on main menu, edit button, and you can see here is your category available. So at first we click on add a new item for drop down option, and now we give our name or subcategory option name fruit. Okay, click on save button. Okay, now we have another work. At first we have to give this icon, then click on save. Okay, you can see this, the fruit is down of health. Okay, now click on save button. Now we be block. Okay, our drop down was down of health. Okay, down of health, you can see fruit option are available health for health. Okay, this way if you want to add subcategory or drop down option on best food or healthy food, you can add here. If you want to take this for healthy food, click on this icon, then it will be up, and click on this icon for down. Okay, here is now this is healthy food, for healthy food. Okay, click on save button. Now we refresh the website. Okay, now you can see the drop down is fruit for healthy food. Okay, that way you can add many or unlimited drop down option for your website. Now scroll down, because today now we know how to create a menu footer or page. Click on edit button. You can see here is home, about us, contact, disclaimer are available, but today I share how to create this. Click on add a new item. Okay, now we add about us, site name, save button, add a new item. Now we add contact. Okay, click on site name, then save. Again click on add a new item, then now we add disclaimer. Okay, save. Now we press the save button, and now again refresh the website. You can see here is home button, about us, contact us, and disclaimer are available. Okay, now we go on page option. Okay, now create a new page. Okay, at first we add a about us page. Now click on publish, confirm, then again a new page. Now we create contact us page. Okay, click on publish and confirm, then click on new page. Now we add disclaimer. Okay, here is paste. Now click on publish and confirm. Okay, you can see here is disclaimer, contact, and about us are available. Okay, now we connect these three pages with our website. Okay, here is link. Click on right button and copy link address and click on layout and go on menu footer option, and here is disclaimer option. Click on edit button and paste here your link. Save. Then click on save button. Now again go on paste option. Now we copy the contact as paste link. Okay, click on layout and go on menu footer and click on contact us. Paste here your contact us link and save. Now we add about us option. Copy link, click on layout and go menu footer and about us option. Here is your link. Click on save button. Okay, now refresh the website. Okay, now your page are connected with your website, but now your page are totally blank. So next class I am show how to you create your disclaimer or every page how to create. Okay, now we again go on layout. Okay, now we go on categories. Here is a important setting. Here is selected labels are select, but we need all labels. Okay, then click on save button. Now you can see I have already posted this website, and this website label is best food. Mind it, label is category. Label and category are same. Okay, now we refresh the website. You can see here is categories option available and best food are available here. So now I click on best food. Okay, here is my post available. Now if I get a new post and if I keep my category best food, this will be available is here. So if we connect best food category, this link, if you click on best food, you can see here is blank. Okay, now we connect best food category with our website. Click on layout. Okay, click on main menu option, and here is best food available. Now we paste our best food category link. Save button. Okay, now go our website. Okay, take a refresh. Okay, now click on best food. Okay, you can see our best food option or category are work. So this way you can add every category from here. Copy your category link and go your layout option and click on main menu and link from here. Okay, thanks for watching. Next video I show or learn how to create your page. So stay with us.